Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. If you are feeling low during the lockdown, Google has some cool tips for you. In uncertain times when the whole world is fighting with the coronavirus, it is okay that you might not feel easy at home. But here are some cool tips to cope up and stay calm. Just tune out your tension. How? You can make a routine for that. For example, you can keep yourself occupied. Everybody is a bathroom singer, so you can sing, you can do exercises, you can dance, you can engage with the kids at the home, you can read good books, you can apply your hand in cooking. So like doing such kind of stuff at home, you can keep yourself occupied and you can keep the stress at bay. Next is focus on the facts and not on the fake news. This is very important that once you are getting the free time, so you may spend your time on social media platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and on these social media platforms, it is not always necessary that you get the reliable news from the reliable source. So just try to find out the authenticity of the news, then only trust on it, else discard those news because most of the news in such scenarios are fake. Next is keep distance. Yes, you heard it right. Social distancing is the new word in the market. Everybody is telling you to do the social distancing, be at home, don't go outside. But I insist you that you should keep distance even from your thoughts. Breathe in slowly or count backwards from 10 to 1. And just cope up with the fear by asking yourself, is it under my control? So just think like, how have you dealt with the stress in the past? And how can you keep yourself positive? Stay in but talk to your heart out. Keep in touch with the loved ones virtually and surprise someone today with a call, and by that way you can re-engage with your old friends and family members. You can keep yourself happy. So I hope all these 5 tips by Google will certainly help you to avoid the stress. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks again.